Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to cover a useful scenario in PowerApps. Okay, so I will explain you how you can create a role-based left navigation component in PowerApps. So what I'm going to show you is if a user is admin or having a admin access. So when they will come to the PowerApps, they will see all the links basically, yeah, or links which we want to show them. And if a user has different role, for say a normal user or a read-only user who has a read-only access, uh, what link they will see? They will see a limited set of links. Okay, they will not see all the links. So normally we do this in SharePoint based on uh, target audiencing. Okay, so we in SharePoint by default out of box we can set target audiencing for any link in the site settings. But how we will do in Power Apps, so there will be some custom way. So that way I'm going to show you. It's a small kind of a trick, but it is very useful. And yeah, we can easily do that. So let's start with the actual video. Yeah, so first of all, what I have done, I have created a SharePoint site. I have a SharePoint list with me. Okay, and the list name is navigation list, and in this list I have created 4 links. Okay, yeah, you can create more links in this. So for this demo purpose I have created 4 links here. And so and I have created a left navigation component. Okay, so I will show you this. This is my Power Apps. Okay, and if you go to the component part, you will see a left navigation component here. Okay, how you can create a reusable component which can be used across all the screens, I will cover in next video. But for now, this video, we will just take this as a uh, component, and we will kind of use this in our navigation or in our Power Apps, yeah, for all the screens. Okay, yeah, so this is my left navigation which I'm going to use in different screens. Yeah, okay, so now the actual part. So when a user is admin, they if I show you first, so this is my admin user. When I'm logging with this user and using this Power Apps, I can see 4 links: dashboard, all tasks, my task, and activity. Now one more profile I will show you with some different users. So now this is a different user which are not having the admin access. These are normal employee. They are not seeing all the links. They can only see my task and activity here. So how I am achieving this? Okay, I will explain. So first of all, in the navigation SharePoint list, what we need to do before this, I will let me show you one thing. In the permissions, I have created 2 groups. Okay, 2 SharePoint groups I have created. One is manager and one is employee. Okay, yeah. And then what I did in the navigation list, I have applied a unique permission on each item. So when we say this particular item, if I go to share and if I go to advanced, yeah, you can see only manager having access on this particular item. Okay, navigation list item. So on dashboard only manager has the access. But on my task, for example, if you see when we go to share, click here, go to advanced, you see manager has the access, but along with manager, employee also has the access on this particular line item. So what will happen in Power Apps when a manager login to the application? Okay, they will see dashboard, they will see my task and other links also, because the other links are also shared with the manager. But when a normal employee, a user from that employee group will log into the Power Apps, they will not see dashboard. Why? Because they do not have access on dashboard. They will only see the items where they having the access. So my task is one of the link, and even the activity is the link where employee group has the access. We can see here. Yeah, so by this logic, when now this admin user, he is part of manager group. I can show you here. When we open the manager group, only admin user is part of the manager group. But when I show you employee, my test user is part of the employee group. Okay, yeah. So now I am logging as a admin account. So when I open this app, in the navigation component, I can see four links. Okay, all the items I'm getting, and I'm getting seeing all these links. But when I open the profile in a different Chrome profile, I log in with my test account, which is this one. He's only seeing two links. Okay, yeah. So now I think you got some idea how we are doing that, but still I will explain you in detail in the Power Apps side. So in Power Apps, as I already explained, I have already created a left navigation component. Okay, and here I'm passing a collection. Now how I'm getting this collection, I will tell you. So here in the container, on the timer, first of all, I have created a splash screen. I will run this app and I tell you show you that. But yeah, let me just run this from here. So this is my splash screen, which will be there for few seconds, and then we will get our first screen. So like that. Now here we have the timer, and here I have, one second. Yeah, here I am on that timer. I am already getting all the items from navigation list. So my collection is initialized with all the items. So in case admin, when admin logins, because he has access on all four items, in this collection I get four items. But when a normal user login, because he is having access on limited items, so he will get only those limited items. And then I am passing this collection to the left navigation component as a gallery item. So you see here I'm passing this collection, and in this gallery which actually showing those items, I'm passing these items here. Yeah. So by this logic, when a user come, uh, based on where you have added them, if you have added them in a manager group, so manager group having access on all four links, so that's why they are seeing four links here. But if you have added a new user in an employee group, if he's a normal employee, then they will not see these links. So based on that, you can easily manage your left navigation links, which link, who should view which link. I mean, basically role based. You have different roles. Based on that, maybe you have 10 links in your Power Apps, and you want to show only few links to some group, few other links to some other group, and all links to maybe the admin or the site owners. So based on that, you can create groups, you can provide permission to those groups to that navigation list, and you can get the items based on that. Yeah. So this was it was a simple trick, but very useful. This is very common scenario which we have been getting while working with Power Apps project. Yeah, so this I wanted to cover you. I hope you have understood this concept. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.